So what'd you guys build today?
Jonah, shut up. What we have right here is the Ryzen 7 7700X with an RX 6700 XT.
Yeah, so this gaming PC will be available at PC Bros. We decided to take a more minimal approach to it by going micro ATX instead of just getting a gigantic case. That means micro ATX board too, so we save some money for you guys. But yeah, 7700X, 6700 XT. We got a B650 Aorus Elite AX. That means latest Bluetooth and Wi-Fi protocols. A Samsung 980 Gen 4 NVMe SSD that's 1 terabyte. 32 gigs of Corsair Vengeance RGB 5600 megahertz, a Cigarette Type GM850, and that's ATX 3.0 80 plus gold, the VG V240, and the Montec Air 100. This build would be $1,500 at PCBros.tech.
Buy this PC and many others at PCBros.tech.